Hi everyone, my name is Shyla. I'm the Health Educator and Training Specialist with the Student Community and Leadership Development Office. And I just wanted to take a bit of a moment to provide a little bit of context of the Student Mental Health 101 webinar that you will be participating in as part of the Peer Leadership and Training Conference. We just want to acknowledge the training that we are providing to you really does rely both on physical as well as online recommendations of services and connections to community partners. However, during this very unprecedented time of physical isolation, there needs to also be a reliance on resources that can be exclusively accessed online. So in order to make this training more helpful and more useful to you as individuals, as well as the role that you're serving in as peer leaders, especially because you might be supporting those remotely right now, I just want to take a few moments to go over some additional resources that you can also recommend. So here's a list of all the online resources specifically related to well-being. And you can find these on the main SCLD webpage. You can type in SCLD COVID-19 and you'll find that on the Googles. And you'll notice that they're categorized in a couple of different ways. And this is really important for the connect piece of the Mental Health 101 training. So for example, under the academic resources, we have listed a bunch of other resources such as online learning during COVID-19 presented by the Learning Skills Services. This includes study strategies and stress management tools, tips on effective online learning, staying motivated. We also have a career and finance section, which can connect you to the virtual career center, where you can chat with experts for career counseling or job searches. And they also have an entire section dedicated to supporting those looking for jobs during COVID-19 and how you can do that, as well as a link to financial services online. We have a section on physical well-being, which points to free resources on working out, staying fit, just getting that exercise. For example, there's free yoga streaming classes that different studios are providing, as well as nutrition resources and planning around that as well. We have staying social, so that's like finding more informal ways of connecting, because connection is really important during this time. So connecting with friends or families through great games and challenges that you can do together and in community. And finally, emotional well-being. So this is a more comprehensive list of different types of mental health supports, including student counseling services, which is still operating, and you can do that remotely through calling in. So there's a phone option if you need to talk to a professional counselor. And they also have a very big directory of free off-campus and remote and online counseling that you can connect with as well outside of their business hours, such as like Good to Talk, which is 24/7, kind of a helpline for students, which is also now text-based. So you can also use that as a text service instead of calling. And the Big White Wall, which is a mental health support forum that is contributed by community members and monitored by different mental health professions. And finally, spiritual health, for those of us that connect more spiritually around our well-being, and there's some resources for that. So all of these you can find on the comprehensive list on our website. So I just wanted to point that out. Last but not least, on the health education website, you can find an expanded idea of the 5 ways of well-being. So this is the last section we cover in the Mental Health 101 training, and it really is trying to use the same principles that are seen here, but thinking about how it can be adapted during this physical isolation period. And so the 5 ways of well-being, again, is just a very well-researched framework designed to incorporate very simple practices to build resiliency, find balance, and boost your well-being. And if you have any questions for myself or for anyone on our team, please use the Contact Us page. You can just drop us a line. One of us can get back to you. I've also included my direct contact as well as our manager, Helen's contact as well, if you need to get in touch with any of us. We are wishing you the best during this time. We're so excited for you to start your leadership journey with us, and we hope that you continue to stay safe. Thank you so much.